This cat is called remove all exclamation marks from the end of a sentence. What do we have to do here? Well, we have a string as an argument and we have to remove the exclamation marks at the end of the string. Not at the front, but at the end. How do we do that? Well, for that we have a built-in method rstrip. Let's have a look here. Here we have the rstrip method. As you can see, we can't pass in an argument. It's not necessary. By default, it will remove the white space at the right-hand side of a string. But if we put in an argument, then you will see that it will remove all the occurrences of the character. From the moment on, it runs into another character. So if we have A, B, A, and we put in A as an argument, then it will remove all the A's on the right-hand side. Similarly, we can use this to remove all the exclamation marks on the right-hand side. The only thing we have to do, in other words, is to just return the string, use the .rstrip method, and as an argument we pass in the exclamation mark. Let's attempt it. And there we go. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.